Tired of working 9 to 5? But also scared to start YouTube because you think you need skills, gear, or confidence? Here's the truth. You can earn a full-time income from YouTube without showing your face, without recording your voice, and without any editing skills. Let me show you exactly how. Reality check. Faceless YouTube isn't a loophole, it's a business model. And it's one of the best models for beginners with no money to invest. People are making thousands of dollars every month with channels that don't even reveal their identity. And the best part? Most of the work can be automated using AI. The 4-block Facile System. Let me break it down into 4 simple blocks. 1. Idea. Choose a proven, evergreen niche. 2. Script. Write it yourself or get it from ChatGPT 3. Voiceover. AI voices now sound real. Use tools like 11 Labs or VoiceMaker 4. Visuals plus Edit Dash. Use CapCut, Canva, or InVideo with B-rolls from Pexels/Storyblocks. The secret to growth : focus on quality, thumbnails, and searchable topics. Use trending titles, optimized descriptions, and community posts once you grow. Don't focus on viral. Focus on consistency. Even if you post twice a week, you'll start gaining real traction. Money time. Here's how people make money from faceless YouTube channels. 1. YouTube ad revenue. 2. Affiliate links in the description. 3. Selling digital products. 4. Sponsorships from brands looking to reach your audience. 5. You can start monetizing even before 1,000 subs using affiliate links. So if you still think you can't start, ask yourself, what's really stopping you? Comment below. I'll personally reply. And if you want to learn how to create high-quality videos using AI tools, I've dropped a full guide in the description. Don't wait for things to be perfect. Start now.